I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. But I see.
That one was all my bills.
Yeah. Yeah, I remember. I think I checked that one out last year. Was this one done last year? Or you just did this?
No, I've had this done.
You didn't get to bring it out.
No, I had it out. I was probably out riding around.
Yeah.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.